It's 9 in the morning and the doorbell rings at Gattu Chinky's house. As soon as Mummy opens the door, Monty comes in.
Auntie, where's Gattu Chinky? They both are still sleeping in the room. Why? Is everything alright? Yes, auntie. Everything is absolutely fine. I just have some big news to give them.
After saying this, Monty quickly goes to Gattu Chinky's room and says, shouting,
Get up, Gattu Chinky. There is a big news. Hey, what happened? Hey, you guys quickly come with me to the society downstairs. It's Big Leader's birthday today. So his manager has come to the society to distribute chocolates and chocolate milkshake.
What? Chocolate shakes and chocolates? Then hurry up.
Then what? Gattu and Chinky run down to the ground downstairs with Monty. But the ground was completely empty. Forget about chocolate. There wasn't even a chocolate wrapper there.
Hey, is everyone gone? Have all the chocolates already been distributed?
Just then, Monty standing behind bursts out laughing.
April Fools! It was so much fun!
It was very fun. It was so much fun.
What? April Fools? This is not good, Monty. Yes, we will take revenge, Gattu. But for now, let's go back. Mummy will scold us for coming down without brushing our teeth.
Yes, go. But I had so much fun.
Gattu thinks while brushing his teeth.
It's good that Monty reminded us of April Fool's Day. Now let's make April Fool of Chinky. Hey, Gattu, come out quickly. I have to brush my teeth too.
Just then, Gattu leaves the washroom.
Okay, go, Chinky.
As soon as Chinky goes inside, Gattu comes out of the room and sees that Mummy had placed poppers on the dining table.
Idea.
As Mummy gets busy making breakfast, Gattu grabs some poppers.
Now the fun begins. Mummy, give me my ball of cornflakes. I'll eat them while watching TV.
Yes, and me too. Okay, you both sit down. I'll go get them.
Chinky, I'll turn on the TV. You sit. Okay.
But as soon as Chinky sits down,
What was that? April Fools!
Gattu vanishes in thin air.
Gattu, I'll not leave you. I won't leave this Gattu. But what can I do? Yes.
What happened, Chinky?
Nothing, Mummy. I have to go to the washroom. I'll be back.
Saying washroom, Chinky comes into the living room and starts doing something.
Done. Now the fun begins.
Then Chinky goes back and quietly starts eating breakfast.
Hey, where did the remote go? It was on the sofa earlier.
Oh yes, it was right here. Hey, look there, Gattu. On the top of cupboard. Papa must have kept it upstairs so we couldn't watch TV. Yes. What, Papa? Who hides a remote like that? I saw it right away. I am going to get it right now.
But just as Gattu jumps up and takes out the remote, the register placed on the remote falls down, carrying a lot of flour.
Oh no!
April Fools! Gattu becomes April Fool. Chinky, this is not fair. I'll have to take another bath. Yes, then go, no?
And Chinky Bingo laugh heartily. A little while later, Gattu takes a bath and sits on the sofa with Bingo and Chinky.
Chinky, the two of us will keep playing April Fool's trick on each other and then Monty will get off scot-free. You are right, Gattu. We will have to come together as a team. Only then we will be able to take revenge on Monty. Come on, let's come up with a good plan to pull an April Fool's prank on Monty.
Both of them think about how to fool Monty into an April Fool.
Chinky,
Gattu goes near Chinky's ears, whispers, and tells her the whole plan.
yes, let's go, Gattu.
And then shortly after, the three of them arrive at Monty's house.
Hello, Hello, Auntie.
Hello, kids. Monty is in his room. He's been pranking everyone all morning, so I punished him by making him stay in his room. Auntie, he pranked us too, so now we have come to prank him back. Will you help us?
Yes, Auntie. It'll be so much fun.
What? Okay, kids.
And then Gattu, Chinky, and Bingo arrive outside Monty's room. They slowly open the door and peek inside the room.
What? How are the lights turning on and off on their own?
Just then he hears a scary voice.
I am here, bloodthirsty witch.
Mummy! Ghost! Mom! Please help me, Mom!
Suddenly, Monty sees a shadow on the window.
Mummy! Mummy, please help!
Just then, the lights turn on, and Monty comes out of the room screaming.
April Fools! Monty has become April Fools! What? April Fool? Who was there on the window?
Chinky, standing at the window, removes the white bedsheet from over herself and starts laughing.
What, Mom? You too supported them?
Our revenge is done. Let's go, Gattu.
Yes! Let's go, Bingo!
Gattu, Chinky, and Bingo quickly return home. But they see Mom and Dad sitting on the sofa looking absolutely serious.
What happened, Mummy, Papa? Why you both are so serious?
Chinky, someone broke my mobile phone. Look this, its screen.
What?
Now tell me, which one of you two did this? He or she will get a big punishment for this mistake.
Papa, I did not do. I'm sure Chinky must have done this. I even saw her playing games on Mummy's phone in the morning.
What? I did play the game, but I didn't break the phone, Mummy.
Don't lie, Chinky. This is definitely your job.
Yes. So from today, no TV, no games, and no snacks for a week.
What? No!
Chinky is very saddened by Mummy's words. But then,
April Fools!
What? Again? But that screen?